Well, we're ready with our complaint, and we're going to file it. We were going to file it today, but we held it in abeyance because there are forums that could be affected. The Senate, for instance, is holding a continuing hearing, and Chavez Singson is testifying. We would like some loose ends to be consummated in the Senate, because the filing or the start of the proceeding of impeachment in the House could very easily be used in order to terminate the hearings in other forums like the Senate. Since the senators will be sitting in the tribunal that will constitute the impeachment proceeding. We'll wait for a while, aside from the fact that a number of congressmen have already indicated from other parties, other than the opposition parties, their support. They'd like to support this impeachment appeal. We will honor them by waiting for them. Some of them are in their home grounds in the Visayas and Mindanao. So if they come and they sign, it's going to bolster the ranks of those who would like this proceeding to take place. We've also heard that the administration would like to rush this through and stifle it, minimize debate. We'd like to have a maximum debate. We'd like the public to talk about it and understand the ramifications so we can have an intelligent public support for this nation. We've postponed this twice, but for very good reasons. First, we began this, I started it as Secretary General of the Opposition, and then it gathered momentum, and the civic sector, private sector, organized its own set of complaints. We talked to each other and consolidated this complaint for maximum impact. It is now not just a complaint from the opposition. It is a complaint from the nation at large, because the civic sector is constituted by labor movements, by women's groups, by religious groups, urban poor, small fisher folks. You have a very good representation from all of the sectors of our society. It's not going to be just a complaint over a misunderstanding of the opposition and its majority party. It's not just going to be a simple quarrel of issue of contesting parties for power, but it's going to be a nationwide complaint of people on something very serious. And the process is mandated and defined by the Constitution. It's going to be a good debate, but it's going to be a very serious one, because the crimes being charged are indeed very serious, and the one who's involved is the highest officer of the land. The grounds for his impeachments are bribery, graft and corruption, culpable violation of the Constitution, and betrayal of public trust. I don't think anyone has been accused of such a crime of very serious magnitude. Kaya siguro, importante na makialam ang buong sambayanan, mapag-aralan, malaman natin ang mga kababayan natin, sapagkat binibintangan natin ang isang napakataas na pinuno ng bayan ng mga nakakatakot na krimen. Milyong-milyong salapi ang ginulsa galing sa sugal o galing sa salapi ng bayan, at ang tumitestigo'y isang gobernador, hindi naman pangkaraniwang taong bayan na pinulot natin kalansangan, kundi isang gobernador na matagal ng kaibigan. Bukod dyan, yung mabang iskandalo tungkol doon sa mga statement of assets and liabilities ng Pangulo na inireport ng PCIJ, yung samahan ng mga manunulat, at yung BW scandal. Meron tayong testigo yan ni Perfecto Yasay, dating chairman ng SEC. Lahat ng ito ay pinagsugpong namin, pinagsama namin upang magkaroon ng malawakan at maliwanag na pakipagpapalitan ng kuro-kurong inaasahan namin na madidebate sa kababang kapulungan.